In this video, I'm going to show you what are the sounds that you need to focus on and how to master it at the same time with example sentences and pronunciation along the way. So if you're new to this channel, please consider you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell for more regular pronunciation tips. So now let's start with the long E sounds. A long E sound is a long front, lips slightly spread. E sound, okay? Is very high and forwards. Examples we can see in words like C, B, machine, cheese, secret, evening, delete, key. Now, if you've noticed, the way I pronounce it is slightly spread. It's a slightly very long. In this case, is the long E sound. Okay, this is the very important vowel sound you need to master. Tip at how to master it. I would say think like you smiling. E sound. Okay, hold the sound long and clear. For example, she needs to speak clearly to be understood. So yeah, let's practice with example sentences in the comment section below. Let me know and repeat after me. Secret, secret, cheese, cheese, machine, machine, C, C, B, B. Have you noticed those are long E sounds? This is one of the most important vowel sounds to master. Short E sounds, which is the kit vowel, okay? Shorter and more relaxed. So that was the longer vowel where we have here. This is the short vowel, which is the E sound. We call it kit vowel, or you can call it a kit vowel, okay? So it's a very short, more relaxed version of E, as we mentioned earlier, and it's still high, and also your mouth is in a high position but not intense, okay? Examples in the words like bit, bit, a bit too much, bit, sit, sit, busy, busy, swim, swim. Have you seen? Minute, minute, rhythm, rhythm, village, village. Have you noticed? I do pronounce it, but it's slightly short than the previous one, which is the E sound. And I would say, don't smile at all. Keep it soft, and it's not E, and it's more like E sound, okay? It's a little bit chilly in the kitchen. It's a little bit chilly in the kitchen. However, we have also the E sound, which is a dress vowel. We have a mid-front vowel, slightly open mouth. You can say examples in words like het, het, bet, set, friend, any, ready, bread, yes. So this is the S sound, which is like a bit a dress vowel. You can call it in words like dress, okay? Dress. It's very short at the same time, and is a sound not too open or tight. Many men said they felt stress. We have got the R sound, which is a trap vowel. It's like trap because the trap has an R sound. Open front mouth is a wide open sound, okay? Sound. Open your mouth and then wide a little bit open in words like cut, man, back, hat, answer, answer. However, if you want to sound a little bit more posh, a lot of people they consider to say answer instead of answer. Camera, flat. So you don't try to exaggerate that more, because that's not going to help you to just perfect the sound even more and better. Drop your jaw more, and even like in cat, cat, but quick, okay? The sound in words like strut vowel, very relaxed, you know, central, relaxed, short vowel. It's slightly lower than schwa. Examples in words like cup, luck, okay? A lot of people they say luck, cup. Money, not money, is money. Words like Monday, it's not Monday, it's Monday. Son, love, couple, mother, it's not mother, it's mother. Enough, not enough, is enough. It's a very relaxed and any stress sound. It's very central in your central mouth. For example, we might say, some lovely summer sun is enough for me. Some lovely summer sun is enough for me. And we have also the posh sound, which is a R sound. It's a vowel sound, very long back vowel sounds, very relaxed sound, no R sound. Examples in the words like car, father, star, half, calm, drama, heart, laugh. Imagine that you went to a doctor, okay, and when you open your mouth, you say, oh, sound like that, okay? So, but it's a longer, and I would say it's more posture sound. We parked the car far past the farm. We parked the car far past the farm. The O sound, this is the lot vowel. Is very short rounded, and also is found in traditional RP, but varies regionally. Is very important vowel sound at the same time. However, example sentences, you can say hot, not heart. Americans tend to say heart, but it's hot, is stop, watch, gone, dog, wash, coffee, sock. Round the lips is not the American tend to say R sounds, but is a deeper O sound. For example, Tom lost his watch at the coffee shop. Tom lost his watch at the coffee shop. If you really want to master the British pronunciation, particularly the modern RP received pronunciation, you need to master these O sounds. The O sound, this is the long O sound in words like thoughts. This is the thoughts vowel. M is very long and is a round vowel. Tang is kind of the lower further back than O sounds. Examples in words like no, war, saw, talk, do, walk, course, thought, think or, but hold it around the lip, and I would say stretch it a little bit. I thought I saw Paul at the door before dawn. I thought I saw Paul at the door before dawn. The feet sounds. Feet vowel is a short rounded vowel, is similar to U sound, but shorter and less tense. Example, it could be like in a words like book, look, put, shoot, sugar, cushion, could, boot. Say that with a slightly rounded lip. She should put the book on the wooden shelf. She should put the book on the wooden shelf. The U sound here, the U vowel, is a long rounded back vowel, lip is slightly rounded. Examples, it could be in words like blue, food, who, moon, true, group, suit, movie. Deep and long U sounds, not nasal, light. It's kind of like clearly pronounced. You do look cool. in the blue suit. You do look cool in that blue suit. You do look cool in that blue suit. My favourite sound is a nurse vowel, which is the sound, is a central long vowel sound, which is pronounced in RP. Examples in the words like bird, bird, girl, learn, word, first, first, okay, work, turn, world, world. Think about ER, whether that's without saying that R sound to the tongue stays flat. For example, you might say, the first nurse heard her words and turned. The first nurse heard her words and turned. The short schwa sound. Most common vowel sound in British English. Any stress, weak vowel, central vowel, and it's very important vowel to learn. Examples in words like about, mother, banana, doctor, doctor, better, better, problem, problem, police, police, cinema, cinema, animal, animal. The lazy weak vowel sounds is the neutral mouth. I went to the cinema with my mother for banana milkshake. I went to the cinema. Diphthongs. Diphthongs, these are the blight vowel sounds. So diphthongs are very important. This is a combination of the two vowel sounds combined together, and then they become one vowel sound. In words like goat, you know, goat, 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 goat. It's a goat vowel sound, central rounded back. Examples in words like go, no, no, home, home, show, show, boat, boat, open, open. You know, like a diphthong is very important vowel sound to master if you want to sound a little bit more British. And I think these are the fundamental vowel sounds that you need to master if you want to sound even more British. And if you are looking to improve your pronunciation, I would say, hear the truth. Mastering these sounds isn't about perfection, it's about intention, okay? And it's about making your message unmistakable and your speech unforgettable. And I think you will sound even more like a native English speaker. Keep repeating these words and keep playing the video back and again, because every sound you master brings you one closer step to your pronunciation. And I would say that's all about it. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below what sound that you found it quite difficult. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.